Before knowing the ECG, you should learn our conduction system of the heart. Our conduction system generate electrical impulse and control heart rhythm. So our conduction system will happen step by step. From SA node, AV node, bundle of his, right bundle bunch, left bundle bunch, and Purkinje's fiber. So, if our conduction system is healthy, heart will pump very healthy, and our heart rhythm also normal.